This model is quite well known. We are talking about a way of communication in general, and it is about, well, perhaps we could say, well, different understandings, even coming up to misunderstandings. When one person is saying a sentence, the other person understands something, and perhaps it is misunderstanding, and we are not sure whether there was always the same message exchanged. So this is the so-called 4 ears model, because we have at least, I would say, at least 4 options to understand what our partner is saying. So imagine that the sender, the co-driver, says, "The light is red." And what does the receiver hear? The receiver, the driver, might hear, when he hears her message, "The light is red," okay, the light is red. That would be just the fact. But it could also be that the sender means, the light is red, in the sense of, pay attention, I fear an accident. So the sender is, with this voice tone, the light is red, also reveal an information about herself. And you could imagine that the receiver reacts differently depending on whether the receiver has heard, okay, the light is red, or, I fear an accident. The receiver could then say, "Hey, stop talking, I'm such a good driver." And of course, the struggle and misunderstanding could start. And it's quite the same with when the sender gives this information, "Hey, the light is red," that the receiver hears the message, "You are a bad driver, I have to tell you about every light which is red." And again, there might start the struggle because there is this misunderstanding. And the fourth option is that there is just simply, "Hey, attention, the light is red, stop." That there is this call for action. And again, depending on on both sides, depending on the voice tone, for instance, which the sender is delivering, or depending on in which kind of mood and which kind of personality the receiver is, the reaction, the understanding of the message might be different.